Welcome to downtown Sugar Hill, home of the sweet life. Located in northwest Gwinnett County, Sugar Hill is a growing affluent city near Lake Lanier and the Mall of Georgia. In recent years, Sugar Hill's downtown corridor has been revitalized with the completion of the East Center, a 300,000 square foot retail, restaurant, and entertainment district. Since its opening 3 years ago, the East Center has become a popular local destination. The addition of several restaurants, including Central City Tavern and a brewery, Indio Brewing, has made Sugar Hill the go-to place for a night out on the town. The city's entertainment options are also becoming widely known. The Bowl at Sugar Hill, the city's amphitheater, and the Eagle Theater, the city's performing arts theater, have hosted major shows including Joan Jett, Collective Soul, and the Marshall Tucker Band. Currently, 2 iconic restaurant spaces are available for lease, located on the 2nd and 3rd floor of the East Center, overlooking the amphitheater. Both of these suites offer a one-of-a-kind panoramic view. The 2nd floor space measures 2,900 square feet with a 400 square foot patio. The 3rd floor space measures 1,700 square feet with a 1,600 square foot sky deck patio. The upper level suites offer elevator access to and from the city's parking garage. They are restaurant ready with grease traps and ventilation chases. Either of these suites would make a great home for a restaurant, special event space, live music venue, or a distillery. Interested parties may schedule a tour by contacting Todd Sumrow at 404-226-6526.